how to use two WhatsApp in one Samsung mobile. So if you want to basically use two WhatsApp in one mobile on Samsung, not a Samsung feature, there are two ways to do this. First is WhatsApp itself gives you the option to add another account. So you can open WhatsApp, then just click on the three dots from the top right, then go to settings, then go to account, then there you'll find the option to add account. So this is a feature that WhatsApp rolled out to Android users. If for some reason you don't really see this, let's say, add account option for just some reason, maybe in very rare cases, Samsung also has a feature to clone apps. So you can simply open settings, then you can go to advanced features, scroll down and look for the option called Dual Messenger. Here under Dual Messenger, you can choose to install a second copy of WhatsApp. By simply turning it on, it will ask you for a confirmation if you want to install it. So yes, you can just click on the install button and you'll be able to use the separate WhatsApp app in two ways. So these are the two ways to do it. One is that WhatsApp itself gives you the option in an update, so you make sure you're using the latest version. Other is you can use a Samsung Galaxy's feature as well. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.